Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, Love Promise Coordinator, Product Specialist here at Santa Cruz Subaru. Today we're going to talk about what happens if your battery dies, then all of a sudden some of your windows don't work anymore. If you're new to the channel, I like to make videos about everything Subaru, impart my knowledge and wisdom and everything I've learned over the last 18 years working here at Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get use out of the videos, please hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. It really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that people get use out of the videos and let me keep making it for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, so this is not going to apply to all of you, but if you ever experience this, your battery dies, and you charge it up, and you go to roll down the passenger window, and it doesn't work. The system just needs to be reset. So sometimes this window won't do the auto, but in this case it is. But if this ever happens, this guy doesn't do the auto and this window just doesn't work, all you gotta do is you gotta come around to the passenger side. And so this window works, but the auto feature doesn't work. So what you gotta do is you gotta roll down the window about halfway. See, it's halfway. And then I'm gonna roll it all the way up. So come top, hold it 1, 2, 3. And that resets the system and allows the window to work again. Let's go over to the driver's side and make sure I've got it. Now I'm gonna touch the passenger guy. And there it goes down the window. All right, thanks for watching.